Hey, what's up guys, this is Pramod here from ePramTech. It has been quite a bit of time that I have not done any video. The crypto market was running little low, and I haven't done much more installations to shoot a video and show. So recently I have got a Canon EOS 77D. I mean, to improve the video quality on my channel, as well as I'm planning to do some vlogs wherein it would be useful for me, and then the content that I'm going to bring would give you a much better look if we have a DSLR in house. So this is a Canon EOS 77D. I got it on Amazon with an 18-55 STM kit lens, and I got it for 62,000 rupees. So let's quickly unbox it, and I'll show you what are all the inbox contents, and I'll show you what are the accessories that you will need for this camera, at least to start for vlogs or else for photography and videography. So let me unbox this. So this is a proper Canon seal. So the advantage with this is over 80D. This only does 5 fps per second, and the 80D does 6 fps per second. 80D has a DSLR processor. This one has a DSLR processor. So I thought the image processor makes much more difference, and I got the 77D, and it is a little cheap also. It is at least 15,000 rupees cheaper. So we have the manual on the top, and what else do we have? Okay, so we have a 1 year warranty card. So this is what we have. So this is a 1 year warranty card. We have to register this product online to get the warranty. Charger cable. We've got the battery. This is LP-E17 battery. This is the battery that we have got. Okay, we are going to get a 16 GB memory card with the box. This is that memory card. Let me check which company is this. Okay, this is a 16 GB SanDisk 48 Mbps card. Okay, and what we have here, we have the 18-55 kit lens, battery charger, strap, and this is the camera body. So that is it that we have from the box, guys. We have the camera body. So let me just take this out. So here is the camera body that we have. So this is the camera body that we have. Okay. I wanted to go for the 18-135 STM version. It was costing 12,000 rupees more, but by the time I could check out, it went out of stock. So I got this one. So this is the 55mm STM lens, 18-55mm STM lens. Oh, this is the charger and its socket, memory card, and we have the battery here, the strap, warranty card, and manual. So that is it, guys. I'm going to quickly set this camera, and then the next footage that you're going to see is from this camera, and let us go ahead. Hey, what's up guys, this is Pramod here from ePramTech again. So we have unboxed the Canon 77D camera here, and I'm going to show you a few accessories which would be a little important while you are doing the vlogging stuff or the daily video recording stuff. And let me quickly unbox them and show you. So what we have here, this is an MRC MV UV filter. So this is a UV filter that we have, and there is no filter inside this as of now because I have already placed it on the camera. So this is a 58mm UV filter. This is the minimum filter. It will avoid the dust and little bit of sun glare and stuff. It is an important filter that you have to place on your camera lens, so that no dust enters into the lens. This is the first accessory that I would recommend. And if you are planning a lot of videos, so I would recommend a mic. So this is the mic from Rode. This is the mic that we have. It is a very good mic when you are recording videos on your camera, let it be vlogs or let it be unboxing videos or anything. This mic is really helpful. It has 2 years of warranty. There is no battery required for this. This is the Rycote model of Rode. This comes with a dead cat. So the voice clarity and audio clarity on this is really very good. Let me quickly unbox this and show it to you what all we are getting inside the box. So let me just unbox this. So this is the mic that we have. This is the mic that we have, and this is the dead cat that we were talking. This purifies the sound, it eliminates the noise and stuff. Okay, and then we have this mount. This can be placed on your flash mount, and then we can use this mic, and it works really very good. So let me just quickly put this on. So this is how it is put. Okay, and then we get a cable. So this will plug into your camera directly and then onto this mic. So this is how you use the setup. So this is how it is, and this is how you use it. Let me quickly keep this aside. And apart from this, if you are planning unboxing videos and then there are some still videos which you have to take, you will find this thing as handy. So let me just take this out. So this is nothing but a Gorilla tripod. This comes in very handy when you are shooting stuff on the camera and you are vlogging as well. So this will help you a lot. So this is a normal Gorilla pod that we have. This is a normal Gorilla pod, and it will help you do the vlogs and other recordings very easily. You can mount phone as well on this. There will be a phone mount with this. I'm not sure if they have provided it. Oh yes, they have provided it. So this is the phone mount that comes with the Gorilla pod, wherein using this mount, so this is a normal mount that we have. So you have to put your phone on this, and then you'll be able to record and you'll be able to use this Gorilla pod. That is how it is. And then apart from this, okay, the most important thing is the memory card. So the one provided with the camera is just only 16 GB. So I recommend you get at least a 64 GB or a 128 GB of card. So this is the card that we have. We have the Samsung Evo Plus 128 GB card. This is what we have here, and this is a pretty good card. It comes with a 10 years of warranty, and then this is a UHS-I card, so it is compatible with the 77D, 700D, 800D, 200D, 1300D and 1200D, all those models of Canon EOS. It is also good with the 80D. It is a 128 GB card, and it is some odd 3000 rupees something. This is very important because a 16 GB card, it won't help you any much with the video recording and other stuff. So this is the one that I recommend. And then if you are doing night photography, start rails, etc., and then you are If you are doing good, what do you say, neutral density filter photography, this is the one which is must. So this is nothing but a bulb. We call it a bulb. This directly plugs into your camera, and anything which any shutter speed which is more than 2 seconds, 3 seconds or 8 seconds can be done with this. So this is the shutter we have. If you put this onto the camera, this becomes a shutter button. The one on the camera becomes invalid, and then this becomes a shutter button. So this is also a recommended thing if you're doing star stress and stuff. This you have to put AAA batteries, 2 AAA batteries into this. So that is what I have the recommended list, guys. You need to have a good mic if you are doing unboxing, vlogging and stuff. I recommend you get a good mic. Rode is a pretty good company. Get a mic from Rode, and then a Gorilla tripod, a good UHS-I compatible card, and a shutter release button. So that is it, guys. If you like this video, please like this. If you want to share this video, please share this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.